So, I was talking to Freckle today. Freckle, say hi. Let's look at the camera. Hi. Yeah, she's just chilling. So, I was talking to Freckle the other day, and you know what she said to me? It was really surprising. Something I never heard her say before. She was like, meow. And I was like, you know what, Freckle? You got a really American accent there. I wonder if we rubbed off on you. Because I'm American and I got an American accent. Not a British accent or nothing. Bye-bye. And I was like, I wonder if cats in other countries speak differently. And I was like, probably. And so I decided to go through how all different cats speak. So, American cats, meow. German cats, meow. Rastafarian cats, meow meow. French cats, meow. Meow. Mexican cats, meow. Meow. Italian cats, meow. Meow. German cats, meow. Japanese cats, meow. Chinese cats, meow. Korean cats, meow. If you can think of any others, let me know. Bye. No, Freckle wants to say bye too. Freckle, come say bye. No, it's okay. Shh. Yeah, see? Did you guys hear that? Bye. But y'all gotta see how cute you are. She's like, let me go. I gotta feed her too. If you can think of any other cat accents, let me know. I'll do them.